Hello everyone, in this question there is a rectangle and inside this rectangle there are several other rectangles are embedded like this, and few of them's area is also mentioned here. Like this, area of this yellow rectangle is given 6 unit square, area of this green rectangle is given 12 unit square, and the area of this gray rectangle is given 8 unit square, and also mention the height of this one and this one is equal according to the question. Okay, then we have to find the area of this blue rectangle. So to find it, first I will consider the height of this bigger rectangle as a capital H. So according to question, the height of this one will what? H by 2. Okay, now if I will consider also, let height of this green rectangle height of this green rectangle is H. This means if we will consider this one as a H, then we can write width of green rectangle as area by height. Area is given 12 units, so 12, and height is h, so 12 by h. Width we know, and width of green rectangle is also equal to what? Width of this yellow. So we can mention here width of yellow rectangle is equal to width of green, that is 12 by h. Now what will be the height of this yellow rectangle actually? Since this whole height will be h, capital H by 2, because this height and this height will be equal, so we can write here height of yellow rectangle as a capital H by 2 minus this is small h, then we will get the height of this yellow rectangle. Okay, after this I will calculate area of this yellow rectangle. Like this we can write area of this yellow rectangle is given according to question 6 unit square, and area we know that height into width, or width into height. So width of this green rectangle is equal to width of this yellow, that we have already calculated 12 by h. So 12 by h into, and height of this yellow is what? Just we have calculated h2 minus a small h is equal to 6. We can write in this way. Now this 6 will cancel 12 into 2 times, so we can write here 2 h by 2 minus h, and this h I will send right side, so this small h will be here. After that we can write h minus 2h is equal to h, so h is equal to minus 2h will go right side, so this will become 3 small h. Okay, so this is the important result that I will use later, you can see. Now for the gray rectangle area, you can see the height will be what? Same of this, the green, this will also what? Small h. Then what will be the width of this gray rectangle actually? So we can write the width of gray rectangle, width of the gray rectangle is equal to area of this gray rectangle by height. That means we can write 8 by h. Okay, now we know this width of this gray rectangle is 8. Now if we will talk about this whole rectangle actually, this whole rectangle if we will talk about, so area of this bigger rectangle actually, for this area what will be actually? combination of this blue plus gray. Area of that is blue plus gray rectangle is equal to width into height. The width will be the same as a gray, and this complete rectangle same with just we have calculated 8 up by h, so we will write. And height, in beginning we have considered capital H of this one, so height of this one is equal to height of this rectangle, so capital H we will write. Now 8 up by h into h is equal to, bigger h is equal to small 3h, we can write h got cancels, so 8 into 3 what, 24 square unit. Okay, so if this complete area of this rectangle is 24, and we will subtract this gray area of this from this, so we will get the blue area. So we can write blue area is equal to 24 minus 8, that is 16 square unit. Answer for this question. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.